Hi, I'm Kate Lasura. I work for Howard Hanna, and I really want to show you this awesome tool that we have exclusive through me at Howard Hanna for you, the buyer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how amazing this is. First off, a lot of people who are doing a home search are probably looking on the MLS, maybe some public aggregators like Zillow, but this is the best option for you. So this is an email that would come through that is from me, your agent, about a home that matches your criteria. So right now you already see it's got a huge photo, really, kind of eye-catching. And then down here you have view all matches. So I can click on this and it's going to take me to Real Scout. There is an app if you like phone apps, Real Scout Home Buyer. You can go ahead and purchase, or that is available for free from the App Store. But here is my matches. So I can click on one of these and just start looking through the property. So if I like it, I can tell my agent right then and there that I like it. You never have to leave the site. That's what makes this so great. A lot of times on Zillow or on the MLS, you got to remember the MLS number. You got to copy the address and send it. If I like this, I'll just tell my agent, you know what, I like this. If I really like it, I'm going to say 5 stars. And I'm going to say, you know what, I want to see this maybe this weekend. What are you doing Sunday? Can we ask to see it on Sunday? Your agent, myself, would get a text that asks if we can see that property. So I scroll down, I see where it is, and I'm like, you know what, I really like the style. I like the kitchen, I like the neighborhood. I can fill out all of this great stuff. And there's artificial intelligence that's built into this app that's going to take note of the stuff that you like and then actually find the best house for you. So you don't have to sit on some website for hours and hours and hours unless you like looking at homes, but you're not going to have to go through all that work. It's going to do the work for you. Down here, you can actually add up to 5 commutes. So here we are. We have to see how far I am to watch the Indians games. All right, it's a 21-minute drive, not bad. What about work? 47. What's more important, work or watching Tribe games? I think it's okay with me. And I scroll down, I get all the information here. And then if I like it, I put my interested property and I can just keep going next. All right, so I click through, again, the same way. And another great feature you'll notice, so sometimes we can go on these properties or look at these homes and just be on forever, right? We're going through this house and this house, and by the end of it, it's been 2 hours and we have no idea what bathroom or what kitchen or whatever it was. So once I click on a property, you're gonna see this button down here that says compare. It's gonna bring up a new screen. I can click on all these different options that are my, these are kind of all over the board here, but here are my 3 homes that I want to compare. And I can scroll down and it's going to put all of the kitchens side by side by side. So I can really get an idea which one I like. All right. All of the living rooms, all of the bathrooms. And then by the end of it, if I'm like, you know what, I actually don't like this house that much, I just put a thumbs down and I can like the ones that I am. And it's going to let me continually add another property. So by the end of the day, you have your top 3 really easily. The last thing I want to show you that you're able to do from the Real Scout platform. So I've mentioned the first things you want to do is definitely click on My Matches just to get started. Get an idea of all the homes that fit your criteria and what you like and what you don't like. But then you can go down here to My Profile. When you click on My Profile, it's going to let you pick, remember all those things on the side, you like the layout, you like the aesthetics. Well, if you keep scrolling down, there's other options about things that you like and you don't like. So I can click through, okay, do I like a traditional feature of a home? I'll put like. Do I want attic storage? Like. Do I want a basement? I don't want a basement. I want a home office. And again, as I'm filling out my profile, the artificial intelligence within Real Scout is going to find the best home for me. That's going to have a lot of this stuff. You need to know that just because I put, what if I don't want to be around a community tennis court? If a property does have a community tennis court, it's not going to be off my search range. It's just going to be prioritized lower. So everything I'm clicking on my profile page isn't a make or break situation. This is just for the computer and the software to know, okay, you know what? I really don't want a carport. I really do want skylights. and it's going to scan each of the rooms and find the skylights. It's going to look in the notes and see if there's skylights there. It, again, does all the work for you. All right, my addresses. So let's say, how far of a walk is this to, the closest Starbucks? I can fill all that out and add it. Here are, Progressive Field downtown. Here's where I work. And you can fill all of this out. You could put, your work, your spouse's work, your kid's school, whatever you need. There you go, you have it. So possibly the best part about why you should use Real Scout, and I probably should have started with this, is exclusive listings. So Howard Hanna has the most amount of market share in almost every market they're in, especially in Northeast Ohio. So if you're looking for homes and the market is hot, or you don't want to miss something, you want to be the first to know, we have properties that we keep exclusive to people within Howard Hanna for a couple days before it goes public. You'll be notified of those exclusive listings the second you sign up for Real Scout. So get off those public aggregators, get out of Zillow, stop looking on all these weird online sites, and meet with a Howard Hanna agent and get set up on Real Scout.